My shop is dark. How dark? Let me show you. If it wasn't for this, that's about all you would see in these videos. Luckily, I've had that light to do all these videos up until now. But at the end of this week, I'll be getting my electrical in for the shop finally. All these videos I've had a shop without power, just a bunch of extension cords laying around. So one of the things I need to do is get some lights so I can have some light. And I went and looked at Amazon and I found these HYPERLITEs. And this is the 100-watt HYPERLITE high bay light. And I'm going to check them out. So this, I bought the 4-pack, and it obviously comes in one box, instructions and an Allen wrench, and then the light. And there's just 4 lights stacked on top of each other. Now these, they look like they hang, which they do. They have a little hook with them. That's in the styrofoam, which the hook is, it looks like metal, so that's good. So I can just easily place them. I'm going to place them first. Since they just plug in, I want to place them so my electrician can wire in a plug when he's here, and I want to have the plug as somewhat close to the light as possible, but not quite. And I'm going to see how 4 lights do, and just kind of check the arrangement and see how they fill up this space. So, but before I hang them, I'm going to plug them in to see what they look like. Whoa, hey, hello. These things are bright. They're definitely LEDs. LEDs hurt. These are the dimmable kind, and I may or may not need those. I'm not sure. I mean, they are 100 watts, so they're the lower wattage. But they do have a dimmable wire coming off of them, it looks like. I think it's a 1 volt to 10 volt, and I don't know how that works right now, but we'll figure it out. Let me get them hung up. I'm just going to put a nail in the ceiling for now, but later on I'll probably do like just an eye hook or something. Ooh. And that should suffice. I'm screwing into a wood ceiling, so that should be fine. It does have this safety cable. I mean, if I get the eye hook in there, I don't know if the safety cable is that great or not, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Let me get them hung up and get an extension cord to each of them and see what this place looks like. Sure will be nice to get some light in here. Everything I've done has been off of that video light that I just showed you, so it's been a chore. So it'd be nice to have some lights and real plugs and everything else. The shop is a little messy. I've just now got the walls done and painted, and I'm able to finally put things where they need to be. That's why I'm getting the electrical done so they can mount the panel and all the exposed conduit on the walls. So it is a complete mess. I've had most of this stuff packed up for the last 7 years since the last move. I had a large shop before we moved, but then when we moved to the new house here, I had I built the barn. That's what we're in now. And I'm finally able to roll out tools within just the past few days. So it's a complete wreck. And this is like the first wide shot I've had of the shop, and it's a complete disaster. So bear with me, this is a work in progress. Oh yeah, that's just one, and it's already making quite the difference in the shop. It's probably, aside from the video light, this is the most light I've had in a long time. So the light there comes with the cord. It's about 5 feet long or so. So wherever I put it, I don't have to have the plugs overly close. So that's good. I can rearrange it as needed because all it needs is a little hook, and I just move the hook. So that's really good about these lights. They're not really a permanent fixed position. You can move them around if you need to. There's not much to them. Now that I got a little bit better light in here, I can show you the lights a little better. It's got a dimmable wire, and it's labeled. And then it's got a safety hook, safety cable. Then it's got its plug-in cord. And then it comes with these hooks that are cast aluminum or some sort of lighter metal, and they just screw into the top here, and pretty sturdy. I'm pretty pleased with it. They seem to be pretty solid lights. As you can see the front, pretty solid build, got good heat sinks, so they should be good lights. We'll see. They certainly put out a lot of light. I've got one in here already, and it's lighting up pretty good. It's more of my stuff laying around. So I'll put up the rest. Found out what the Allen wrench is for. It's for this little set screw on the hook. So here is my shop with all 4 lights on, and it lights it up really good. I'm glad I went with the 100 watts. I think it's plenty for this space. If I need extra lighting, I can add my video light, or I was going to add task lighting to various pieces of equipment. Now, all 4 of these maxed out all my extension cords. I had to pull out even the 100-foot cord, but that'll be fixed by the electrician this weekend. So here's the final way that I'm going to end up hanging them. The hook hangs around a 1/2-inch piece of electrical conduit, really nice and snug actually. And then I made some wooden brackets on either end for the conduit to come off of, and then I ended up screwing the brackets to the floor joist. So it gets the light up above the level of the bottom of the floor joist, and it keeps it out of the way for them getting hit. And now I'm just waiting for the electrician to come at the end of this week and wire up some plugs for them, and I've got I got lights in my shop. So I have to say, it is absolutely amazing to have this much light in the shop. I have never had it before since I built it, and I think these lights are pretty great. I took a chance on them, read some reviews, some other YouTube videos and all, and I think they're a perfect solution for my shop. My shop has 10-foot ceilings, and a lot of the high bay lights, they're for, 12-foot ceilings and above, but the 100-watt is for 10-foot ceilings, and it is the perfect amount of light. It's plenty bright in here, and I think it's good. I hope they last, and I'll fill in the shadows as needed with other work task lights and all that. So if you like this video, please like or subscribe, and we'll see you at the next video. Thank you for watching.